This video covers the full diminished 7th chord built on the note G sharp. It's the key of the key is G sharp minor. It's 5 sharps, and again this is built on it consists of minor thirds. So just start with the G sharp, and then a minor third, then another minor third, and another minor third here. So there's only one black key in this one here, and the 4th finger in each hand is going to play that. So we're starting on that note. So you're starting, so it's here, here. I encourage you to do the tremolo exercise on this. You can do maybe 1 and 2 octaves, 1 and 2 notes per beat. It's important. That tremolo exercise really does a lot. I mean, it's kind of boring. You think, why am I doing this? But it really does a lot to the muscle memory. So I encourage you to do it. It's 1 note here. And then do 2 notes, 2 octaves. 2 octaves up and down, and then do the actual arpeggio. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves, 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes per beat, parallel and contrary motion both. And start down here because you're starting on G sharp. I'm going to start way down here. It's an octave and a half below middle C. And it's here. 1 octave. Accent on the beat. 2 octaves. Parallel and the contrary motion on this too. You don't need to do the inversions in my opinion, because the inversions are actually other keys. We cover those in other videos, so forth. And that's the full diminished 7th chord for G sharp minor, G sharp.